What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to do the deep lunge stretch. We're first going to come into our lunge position, having the back leg as far back as you can get it. Make sure the glutes are engaged, hips are stable. When you come down, elbow on the inside of the knee, hand on your foot. We're going to slowly oscillate around the joint here, driving the elbow into the knee to force it open. We're going to slightly twist ourselves towards the planted foot there. Making sure your hips are facing towards. We're going to keep going through some slight oscillations here. If you have a band, you can attach it onto your leg right here, pulling sideways or backwards. Add a little bit of extra band of distraction. You can come forward here, get a little bit of a hamstring stretch too. Just a nice flow. Keep driving that elbow into the knee as much as you can here, just to open things up. And then we're going to twist away, putting the hand on the knee, pushing it away from the body. And then we can do the other leg. Stretching usually feels a little bit discomforting, but we don't want it to the point where you feel any type of intense pain. Hit that subscribe button below for more content like this, and I'll see you guys next time.